What's going on, guys? We're here today at the one and only INTRACK. So today I'm hoping to get the alignment. They said they're gonna take a look at the harness bar and the harnesses for the install. So I'm not sure yet if they're gonna be able to install that just yet. If they don't install that, then I'm gonna probably just have to do it myself. I don't know. But yeah, I'm super excited to finally get this alignment. It's well overdue. And I'm gonna show you guys the shop a little bit. I still haven't even gotten the car cleaned at all. I definitely need to get it detailed really badly. Right now there's M3 comp. Oh shit.
You son of a bitch.
There's Stitch. Yeah, this is INTRACK. It's in Hempstead, Long Island. So I got recommended by a couple people to come here. Alright guys, so we're gonna end up doing -1 for the front and 0 on the back to help with the straight line. And Stitch is probably gonna see what's up with the tires because they sell tires here too. So he needs a pair of Michelins. So yeah, we're gonna see if he could pick up some tires too. Maybe we're gonna be coming back though because there's no room in my car for that shit. But yes, this shop is fire so far. From everything I'm seeing, this shit is fire. I came on a Wednesday at around like 1 p.m. and there was like barely no cars here. I only waited, how long we waited? 20 minutes? Yeah, we made like 20 minutes. It wasn't bad at all. Yo, shout out to Nelson, the RCF back there. Which one?
I know it's a Beamer.
Oh, that one? The skinny front? I have no idea. Yo, if you guys know what kind of Beamer that is, comment it down and below in the comments. Yo, so this Charger over here has a Predator logo. Shout out to my cousin Joe, he loves Predator. That's fire. Alright, you guys, if you guessed it right, this is an 840 Ci. So they're actually able to install the harness bar for me. Thank God. Happy birthday to me, right? Yeah, this shit's gonna look crazy. That shit's gonna look crazy, bro.
Happy birthday to you.
Alright, they almost finished up with this. Almost. I need a detail, man. This shit is dirty. Sucio. So, my boy Vernon over here, he just showed me his GTR setup. This shit is fire, bro. This is hopefully the end goal. When I start making more money, this is the end goal. This is what I want to purchase. This is what I want to build eventually. God damn. What are those, 15s?
Yeah.
Shit.
I got the small one right.
Got that. That's how you know someone's fast. When they got the parachute in the back, they're not playing no games, bro. Damn, this shit's beautiful. I can see the interior.
Yeah.
Shit, let me not get your plate. Fire. Look at the seat. Full roll cage, gutted, everything, bro. What you doing, like 8 in this car?
Yeah, so I did 9.6 on the quarter.
Yeah.
That was on the test hit, and they kicked me off the track. So then
Word?
I put the roll cage in, I got certified.
Yeah.
I never made it back. I've been super busy with this.
Yeah, I know. I feel you, bro. I'm gonna start going to the track a lot now. I just bought the helmet and the fire suit. Yeah.
But now you gotta go out of state.
Yeah, I mean Jersey, bro. Then we got this G80 right here that they did a powder coating for, and they did full bolt-ons. Shit's fire. So I think the intake's route to the front. Yeah. Fire. With the blue interior. Damn. Bro, I love the seats on this car, bro. The carbon fiber seats. It's finally done. This shit's fire, right?
Twinnzilla on the comments? Yeah, anyone can get
This shit's
it.
fire. Alright, chill. The finishing touch.
Why would you guys say
I'm gonna put that right there. All right. And the finishing touch. All right. Here we go. All done.
Look at this thing! It's cold? Yeah, it's cold. I don't want to drown him.
1 hour later.